Hyundai's Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist with Pedestrian Detection System, or FCA, is designed to help detect and monitor vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians ahead. If a collision is imminent, it's designed to warn the driver and apply emergency braking. To turn the system on or off, select Setup, then select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, and then Driver Safety. If you unchecked the box, the system is deactivated, and you'll notice that the FCA warning light in the instrument cluster is illuminated. If the SCA system detects a high risk of collision, it will provide the forward collision warning. It sounds an alarm, flashes a visual alert, and vibrates the steering wheel. The vehicle may apply the brakes with the brake control maximized just before the collision to minimize the impact. You can also turn the forward cross-traffic safety feature on and off. When turned on, it can provide a warning and emergency braking if the vehicle detects a risk of a collision from a vehicle on the left or right side at an intersection. Some models also offer forward side safety. This controls the following features: lane change oncoming function, which can help avoid a collision with an oncoming vehicle when changing lanes by assisting the driver's steering. Lane change side function, which can help avoid a collision with the vehicle ahead in the next lane when changing lanes by assisting the driver's steering. And evasive steering assist function, which can help avoid a collision with a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist ahead in the same lane. When a risk of collision is detected, evasive steering assist function will warn the driver, and if the driver steers to avoid collision, it will assist the driver's steering. If there's space to avoid collision in the lane, it can also assist the driver's steering automatically. The FCA system does have limitations and cautions. FCA functions only operate at certain speeds. See your owner's manual for details. FCA may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, while changing lanes, or in certain weather conditions. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Also, FCA may not recognize stationary vehicles. If you're approaching a stationary vehicle at a stop sign, the system will not recognize the vehicle until it begins moving. In addition, in certain instances and under certain driving conditions, the FCA system may produce a warning alarm and control the brake system unnecessarily. For a full list, see your owner's manual. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.